some orange juice. Looking like some orange juice. Yeah. Smelling like some orange juice. Smelling like some orange juice. But what it tastes like though. What's going on, everybody? Mellow White, have a beer with your boy. Today, we're trying a beer. That's it. We're trying a beer. I've tried this company before one other time, but it was with a different beer. At the same time, without further ado, let's go ahead and cut the shenanigans. Let you know what's going on, man. Look at the color. Smirnoff Ice. Smirnoff Ice screwdriver, dog. Now I seen movies be like, yo man, give me a screwdriver and this shit should be lighting you up. I'm curious to see if it does, Smirnoff. I tried one of their beers before. It did okay. But a screwdriver, we shall see, man. It's like 5.8% alcohol by volume, so I don't think much of it though. If for that reason. Nah, it ain't just for that reason. But I am gonna be drinking out of this. Don't hate. Just don't hate. It's bad for your health. Without further ado, this is a twist top. Oh my goodness. And we pour. Ooh, looking like some orange juice. Looking like some orange juice. Yeah. Smelling like some orange juice. Smelling like some orange juice. But what it tastes like though. Cheers. The initial taste of orange juice, refreshing. Very, very refreshing. That aftertaste of that alcohol, throw it away. Let it go. But other than that, I ain't mad at this drink. The alcohol taste in there, whatever you got, whatever type of alcohol you got in there, that shit is. You try to make the fruit taste a little bit more to mask it, and it didn't really work. I see what you tried. To do, but didn't work. I tasted it, and I don't like it. But the orange juice, that shit hard. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I like the orange juice taste to it. I fuck with it. I'll probably recommend it if it's there, bro. I would down this. I would down this in less than a minute. Good. That's it. It's over. But what y'all think, man? What do y'all think, man? Smirnoff Ice screwdriver orange juice. Hit me up in the comments, man. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Have a mellow day and stay mellow, baby. Peace.